Hello YouTube viewers, welcome to SHECARS YouTube channel. Here are the test results of Jeep Compass, the vehicle with which Jeep made its re-entry into India.
The front offset deformable barrier test was performed at a speed of 64 km per hour. This test was performed way back in 2017. This one is the full width rigid barrier test at 50 km per hour. This one is the side mobile barrier test at 50 km per hour. The last one being the side pole test at 32 km per hour. Overall, this car scored a rating of 5 stars.